today I wanted to start this vlog already. I have 4 minutes, so I have to go back to school in a little bit. We just got like a 15-minute break, but I already wanted to do an intro and get this video started. We are going camping, as you guys saw by the title of this video and everything like that. So I'm going to be packing for that. We are leaving tomorrow right after I think I come back from work. We're gonna go, so I really need to pack. I haven't packed at all. We're going camping, so it's not really like any like cute clothes. It's literally just like comfy outdoorsy clothes, so that's fine. I did some laundry, so I have to get that and then get my suitcase. But I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for 160 subscribers. I think we're almost at 170, so thank you guys so much for subscribing and joining my family. It's so crazy to me that I have 160. That is insane. Thank you guys so much. I'm going to head back to school and I'll see you guys in a little bit. It's been like an hour since I talked to you guys, and so I got my laundry. Now I'm going to just fold it up and then put some things that I need to take into my suitcase. I already have my suitcase right here. And I have my iPad with some Netflix because I get bored really easily, so I want something to like, so I can be entertained while I'm folding. I put away the clothes that I wasn't gonna take to camping, and I just kept out some shorts, some like underwear, bras, other like running shorts type thing. Something that I like to do, I'm just gonna show you guys. I like to get little baggies to like separate. This is like really low. So I like to separate my bras and my underwears and stuff, so it's not like all like bunched up with my clothes. I like to get it and like this is a sock for example, but I like to get it and just like put it in here and then like take out all the air. And it's just like way easier. It doesn't take up space. I'm gonna do that right now, and then I'm gonna like pick out some outfits that I'm gonna wear. I think that there's a beach over there. We're going to like a beach, but they said it's like the water is contaminated. I don't know. That's what my mom said. So I don't know if we're gonna go in the water, but I'm gonna bring like bathing suit, like a cover up. I don't know. We'll see. I'm tired. It's 11 o'clock at night. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking and do that so I can go to sleep, because tomorrow we have work and then we leave, and I need to get this done before. I got distracted on Instagram. As you can see, like I was literally like this for like maybe 30 minutes. So I'm gonna go to bed. I'll probably wake up a little bit earlier, finish my packing, and yeah, but it's really late and I'm tired and I need to get off my phone. It's the next day and I didn't finish packing yesterday like you guys saw. I just got distracted and really lazy, so I was like, let me just wake up a little bit earlier, do that, and that's what I'm doing today. So I have some skincare, some little like essential things like hand sanitizer, tissue, moisturizer. I got this little bag from my school. Like I emptied it out, so I'm gonna put my skincare and hair products in here. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Put you guys on the floor so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I just finished putting everything inside. I'll go over everything that I'm putting in it. Deodorant, face wash, moisturizer, toothpaste, some hair products. So this is like an anti-frizz since we're gonna be outside and it's gonna be super humid. And this is a leave-in conditioner, toothbrush, some sunscreen, hand sanitizer, and then I have like another little baggie that I will take in the shower with me so I don't get like my other stuff wet. It has like my body wash, shampoo, conditioner, a shaver, and then an extra little like top of that. But that is basically all of my beauty related things. So I just added these shoes. So I have some like running type shoes. I don't like wearing a lot of sandals because I get a lot of sand in my feet. So I just like wearing shoes. So I'm bringing that, and then these little flip-flops. And I'm also bringing these because they're just comfy. So that's the types of shoes that I'm bringing. Don't mind this. And then on the outside, these are my bras, my underwears, all of that. So these I wanted to add into here because they're just really comfy. Some comfy pajama pants. Next, I wanted to bring these in case my AirPods like aren't charged or they just like lose batteries. And I'm gonna put it in this little makeup bag. So I have my Apple Watch charger in here. I'm gonna put these in there as well, and then I'm also gonna put my phone charger and my computer charger. My laptop will go inside here along with my tripod, a mask, and also my sunglasses. I'm bringing some extra hair ties because you never know. I have school on Saturday 9 to 6 and I can't afford to miss another day of school because I have way too many days to make up. I'm gonna try to do cosmetology school in the woods. We'll see if that works out.
Sitting on a cooler.
Stop.
I'm not kidding.
Wait, we all fit there?
Who's all? Oh,
Me.
Julio's coming.
Wait, is this even like legal?